Hello everyone. Let's start our new chapter, Changing Times. After reading this chapter, you get to know about how time changes from past to the present. Let's start reading. My name is Chetan Das. Many years ago, I used to teach children like you. These days, I spend my time by writing about the days when I was young. I would love to share some of these with you. Yes, everybody, there is a story related to Chetan Das. Chetan Das is telling about his story when he was young, when he was a child of 9 years old, and what would happen at that time. He is telling in the story, he is writing about those days when he was young. As you can see in this picture, there is so much crowd inside the train and outside the train. So many people are there. They are carrying their luggages. This is the time when Chetan Das was just 9 years old, and this story is of that time when India got independence, when India became independent on 15 August 1947, when India is divided into two parts, two countries, India and Pakistan. Yes, this is the map of India. When India got independence in 1947, it is divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. And so many people, according to their wish, they have to move from those who want to live in India, and those who want to live in Pakistan, they move from here to there. So, Chetan Das family was living in Pakistan. In Dera Ghazi Khan is a place, and they have to move to India. So you can see there is so much crowd nearby the train. A big move. I remember the time when I was 9 years old. It must have been over 60 years ago. That was when we lived in Dera Ghazi Khan. Today this place is in Pakistan. At that time there were a lot of problems around us. I could not understand what was happening. One day Baba told us that we had to leave our village and move to another place. I was very sad to leave my house in my village. That was where I had all my friends, all of us, Baba, my younger brothers and sisters, and I took a train to come here near Delhi. Like us, many people from our area also moved. People were saying that our country was being divided into two, India and Pakistan, two countries. Many people from India went to Pakistan just like we moved to India. For some time, we all stayed in a camp. We lived in big tents that were put up in a huge ground. Yes, everyone, in this chapter, Chetan Das is writing about his story when he was 9 years old. They lived in Dera Ghazi Khan. This place is in Pakistan. Now he is telling that when India got independence, it is divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. So they have to move to India with his family. So they boarded a train and they have moved to Delhi. He is also telling that like his family, many other families, those who want to live in Pakistan, they are moving from India to Pakistan by the train. There is so much crowd which Chetan Das is mentioning in his story. Now they have moved to Delhi. Chetan Das is also telling about that when they reached to Delhi, they all stayed in a camp in a big huge ground. They lived in big tents. A new home. One day Baba told us that we had been given some land in Sohna village. He said that we could build our house there. I was very happy. Baba and Amma worked hard to make the house. We children also helped. Baba dug the soil and we quickly filled the pans and passed them on to Amma. Gudiya and Amma mixed husk in it. Baba put up the walls. Now Chetan Das has written about his story that one day Baba told them कि we got a small piece of land in Sona village by the government and we have to make our house there. So every family member together help each other for building the house. Chetan Das is also mentioning that Amma mixed husk in it, in the mud, and Baba put up the wall. So basically at that time they are making a kacha type of house, a kacha house, because at that time cement are not used for making house. We brought cow dung from nearby houses. Amma mixed it with the mud. Amma is mixing with the mud the cow dung which we brought from the nearby houses. Chetan Das has written that Amma coated the floor with this mixture just like she used to do in our old house. Chetan Das is mentioning that in those days when Amma coated the floor with a mixture of mud and cow dung for keeping all the insect away from the house, because at that time cement and whitewash were not used. So we all family members together help each other and build a house. Amma used to say that by coating this mixture, which is the mixture of cow dung and mud, it would keep the insects away from the house. Then it was the turn for the roof to be made. Baba made a frame by joining strips of wood and fixed it on the four walls. We put branches of neem and kikar trees on the frame so that termites would not harm the wood. Amma put old gunny bags on this and covered them with mud. Now Chetan Das is saying that when Baba built the house, it was the turn of the roof to be made. So we put branches and Baba put a frame of joining strips of wood fixed on the four walls, and we put neem and kikar tree branches on the frame to keep all the termites away, because termites is a kind of insect which harm the wood. So for keeping them away, we put branches of neem and kikar tree, and Amma put old gunny bags covered with mud so that all the insect and bacteria and germs keep away from the house. Most of the houses around us also like ours. A few were different, but I liked my house the best. It was just like our old house, because when they are moving from Dera Ghazi Khan to India, to Delhi, Chetan Das was feeling very sad because he has had to left his house, his old friends. So after building this house, he liked just like as his old house. Now few questions are given for you. Find out and write. You have to write these answers with yourself. Move on to the next page. A changing house. Now time passed quickly. I finished my studies and got a job. Amma Baba wanted me to get married. I thought that before I got married, we should repair our house and build one more room. In those days, people in cities were using cement. They said that this made the house stronger. We also thought that we would use cement. We used iron and cement for making the roof of the new room. As you know, Chetan Das was writing about his old days. Now he has written that time passed quickly. Chetan Das finished his studies and he got a job and he got married also. But before marriage, they have decided to build their house, to build an extra room and to get repaired their house. And at that time changes, because people were using cement for building a house in the cities. So they have decided to use iron and cement for making the roof of the new room. Now, in those days, people used unbaked bricks also available in the market. So we made walls with them. Chetan Das has written that we made walls with the use of unbaked brick. So after this, we didn't need to coat the wall every week. Once a year, we would whitewash the walls. We also built a small kitchen in the courtyard. As you can see in the picture, the kitchen had a mud chula and place to keep the vessels. Then after that, Chetan Das got married, and his wife Suman, she used to sit on the floor in the kitchen, and we used to sit on the mats in the kitchen and eat together. So it was a very happy time. He used to enjoy it while writing this. People used to go out to the field for their toilet in those days. Some of the houses had a separate place for this. We also made a small toilet with unbaked bricks behind the house. Now some questions are given here for you, because Chetan Das is telling that at that time people used to go outside for the toilet, but many of the houses have a separate toilet. So they have also made, with the use of unbaked brick, a separate toilet. Now some more changes also happened. My 2 sons and a daughter were born in that house. Time passed. The children completed their studies. 15 years ago, our daughter Simi got married and moved to Palwal. When Raju was to get married, we felt that we should get the house ready for the new bride. As you can see in this picture, there is a beautiful house here. Now time passes away. Time changed. Chetan Das had 3 children, 2 sons, 1 daughter. His daughter got married and moved to Palwal. Now, Chetan Das has decided his elder son, Raju, will have to get married. But before marriage, they have decided they should repair their house. They should build it with the baked bricks, with cement, with marble chips, for making it strong. By then everyone was using baked bricks. We also used them for the walls and put a lintel on the roof. We used marble chips and cement for a strong and fancy floor. In the toilet we put the pipes to take away the waste. The kitchen was made bigger. Now Raju's wife does not use the clay chula. She stands while cooking on the gas stove. Now Chetan Das is telling about his younger son Montu. He got job in Delhi. So he moved there with his family. Suman and I stay with Montu for some months in a year, and with Raju and Sona for the rest of the time. On the way from Delhi to Sona, we go through the Gurugram place. So many big high-rise buildings have come up there. Now, after a few years ago, Raju also renovated the toilet and the bathroom. He used color tiles in his bathroom. Imagine spending so much money for a place to have a bath. Now, Chetan Das is writing that now I am 70 years old and I am writing about my old days. In all these years, I have seen so many changes. Even in my house, I don't know where my grandchildren will want to live and how their house will be. I wonder what the houses are like in Dera Ghazi Khan today, and how about all my friends and where will they be? Few questions are given for you. What material have been used in making your house? Find out the material from which your friend house is made. Is there any difference? Write about it. What kind of house do you think Chetan Das' grandchildren will live in? So guys, our chapter is going to an end. I hope you liked the story of Chetan Das. He told about all the changes happened related to his house. Bye to all.